This is the Clubbell Gamma Cast. So for this exercise, we just need the one Clubbell. We're going to begin in the order position. So both forearms at 90 degrees. Keep your elbows pinned into your side. Basically what this exercise is a shield cast on one side and then doing an alternating shield cast on the other side. So you're just going one way, bringing it back to order, and then doing the opposite side, bringing it back to order. So I'll show you the shield cast first. So to do a shield cast, you're going to bring the Clubbell up to almost a shield block position to start. And then you're gonna let the Clubbell swing behind your back. And you're going to try to draw a circle with sort of the head of the club. So kind of tracing a circle behind your back and then pulling the Clubbell back over to the order position. So I'll just show you what that looks like. So this is called the shield cast. So back behind your back. And you also want to keep a fairly loose grip as you're letting the Clubbell swing back behind you. You don't want a death grip. So again, just keeping a loose grip, swinging back behind you. And you want the Clubbell to be quite close to your shirt, the back of your shirt. So keeping it close to your body with each swing, not too far out away from your body. So that's the one side. To do the Gamma Cast, we have to do one side and then alternate to the other side. So the one side, and then now we're gonna reverse the movement. So going back the other way. So that's one rep for the Gamma Cast. So again, and each time returning to the order position. So yeah, it's a great exercise for your shoulder. Very similar to the shield cast, similar to a Mace 360. And it's just a super unique way to train your posterior deltoids and just keep your shoulders healthy. So again, it's the Clubbell Gamma Cast.